Hey, it's PMR. We're out at the track. Beautiful, beautiful sunny day, surrounded by mountains and blue skies, and just a gorgeous brand new track. I'm excited to announce the second annual 2024 Smoky Mountain Sports Photography Workshop, which is held in the foothills of the Great Smoky Mountain National Park in Maryville, Tennessee. We will be at Maryville College, where the Collegiate Conference of the South meet will take place on May 7th and 8th. Everybody that participates will get a media credential. Dinner on the evening of the 6th will take place to kind of a welcome dinner. We meet at a Mexican restaurant near the track. And then the 7th and 8th is all business, all shooting sports, with critique day on May 9th. Shooting track and field allows us to use every single lens in our bag. You can use anything from 12 millimeter up to 600 millimeter and beyond. You'll have great access and great backgrounds. The surroundings of the track are beautiful. It's all woods and trees, there's no power lines, and hopefully blue skies. You don't have to shoot Sony to come. Canon and Nikon users are most welcome. The tuition is $12.95 and includes 3-night stay at a nearby hotel. Think about coming down. If you have any questions, reach out and ask me. Please consider coming. If you like my YouTube videos, this might be a great way for you to actually get to know me in person and really get your skills in sports photography up to snuff. We're going to take a look at some of the images that the students that have been shooting all day have gotten. Now it's like ready to go.
Shut up and sit down.
7.2. So what we'll have to do is yes, it will. Three. Oh, yeah, right there.
Romantic, isn't it?
So really pay attention to your left.
Shut up and sit down.